Namaste. I'm Ezechi Ade. This is the Golden Circle Movement Channel. Are you able to change your life using affirmations? Let's discuss this. First, I'd like you to subscribe to the Golden Circle Movement Channel. Make sure you ring the notification bell so you know when new videos are uploaded. Today I'd like to discuss how to use affirmations. Okay. Affirmations are I am statements. I am strong. I am smart. I am good enough. I am healthy. These statements speak to our subconscious and reprogram it. We reprogram ourselves at a basic level when we use affirmations. Now, there are many affirmations that you may find on YouTube. Some of these I will list in the descriptions below. I will send some links. Now, when you try these affirmations, you have to understand that it takes time for your consciousness to take this new activity and develop it into a habit. 21 days of constant use, daily use, will allow this affirmation sequence to become part of your life. So, if you are going to do the affirmations for yourself, you write them down. Put them on your mirror. Put them on your refrigerator. Someplace where you're going to see them daily and say them. I am a millionaire. I am an ethical millionaire. I am healthy, wealthy, and wise. I am connected to my soulmate. I am with my twin flame. Whatever your affirmations are, they must be repeated and believed, not just stated for the sake of saying them. Well, I'm going to say it, and he said in 21 days it'll start to happen. No, you must get excited at the prospect, the idea, the reality that this affirmation is real. It is happening. Not going to happen. It is happening right now. Very small degrees, and then bigger degrees, and bigger degrees, until finally you can't remember when this thing started. It's just the way it's always been. So to use affirmations, first of all, if you're going to use them from an outside source, make sure that the affirmations they are stating say, I am, and do not say, you are. Because you are is what your statement will be to the outside world. Whereas when you say, I am, it is your statement to yourself. If it is you are, avoid it. Move beyond that. That will not help you. But if the affirmations are in I am form, then you are good. If they don't tell you one way or the other which way the affirmations go, keep looking until you find I am affirmations. Do you use affirmations? Have they made a difference in your life like they have in mine? I'd like to hear your stories in the comments below. Please subscribe to the Golden Circle Movement channel and ring the notification bell so you know when new videos are uploaded. Make sure you like and share the video. It does help the channel. Make sure you visit us on other social media platforms. I'm on Instagram at Ezechiade, and on Twitter at Ezechiade. Also, there is a Facebook group for the Golden Circle Movement. All of these links and more will be in the description below. I'm Ezechiade. Thank you for your participation in the Golden Circle Movement channel. Namaste.